8. Human resources. Human resource is the greatest of all resources, as only human beings have the capability to utilize all other resources. Earlier, the strength of a country was judged from its population, as most work was done by hands. Now, due to the progress of science and technology, machines perform most of the work for man. Therefore, nowadays, more emphasis is laid on the skills and abilities of man rather than their numbers. A large population is not always an asset, but people who are trained, skilled, and creative are an asset. They know how to utilize natural resources to create good standard of living for themselves and for fellow human beings. Population distribution. The entire population of the world is not evenly distributed. It is unevenly sprinkled over different parts of the world. There are certain places where large number of people live, and there are some other places where very few people live. The density of population is the relationship between the total population and the total area in square kilometers. It is shown as the number of people per square kilometer. In comparison to other continents, Asia has a high density of population. On the basis of density of population, there are three markedly different areas of population. Areas of high density, moderate density, and low density. Trivia. The term human resources, as used in organizations, describes the workforce capacity available to devote to achievement of their objectives. The subject has drawn upon concepts developed in industrial or organizational psychology and system theory. Areas of high density. Areas of high density have favorable climatic conditions, fertile soil for the development of agriculture, and good network of transport and communication. China, Japan, the two Koreas, and the Philippines in the east, and the countries of Indian subcontinent, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka are densely populated. These countries comprise nearly half of the total world population. The countries of Western Europe and eastern and central part of North America are also densely populated, as they have achieved high level of industrialization and are able to support a large production. Areas of moderate density. Mining, industrialization, and improved infrastructure have made these areas attractive for people to settle. The moderately populated areas are Central USA, Southern Russia, Ukraine, South Africa, Central China, Argentina, coastal parts of South America, Central America, and Southeast Asia. The Deccan Plateau in India is also a moderately populated area. Areas of low density. Areas having very low density are the rough and rugged lands and high mountainous areas. They have harsh climatic conditions, that is, either very hot or very cold or too wet or too dry, and therefore they are not favorable for habitation. Hot deserts such as the Sahara, the Kalahari Desert, the Arabian Desert, and the Great Australian Desert are all sparsely populated areas. The Arctic region in the north and the Antarctica in the south, Greenland, the thickly forested areas of the Amazon basin in South America, and the Congo basin in Africa are also sparsely populated areas.